Hey everyone, it's John here, and in this video we're going to take a look at how we can create a word cloud using Python in Excel. So here we've got some wine reviews, and then from those reviews we're going to create this word cloud visual. And so in this visual, the larger words represent more frequently used words in our reviews. And this is going to help give us a better sense of what's in our unstructured text data. In order to create our word cloud, we're going to use the Python function. So if we type equals py and press tab, that's going to allow us to enter Python code into Excel. And I'm just going to paste in the Python code that we need in order to generate our word cloud. So the first thing we're doing in this code is importing the word cloud library. And then after that, we're going to get all of the reviews from our Excel workbook. So these are in cells G5 all the way down to G3425. And then after that, we're going to join these all into a single text value. And with that single text value of reviews, we're going to generate our word cloud and then display it in the grid. And if I press Control Enter to commit this, then the code is going to run. And you can see that our cell now says image in it, and it's got this icon at the start. And if we click on that, it's going to open up this data card and show us our word cloud. Now we get this button here to extract values to the grid, so we can extract the image to the grid. Or we can change the output type of this original cell here. So right now, if we go up to the formula bar, you can see that the Python output is set to display the Python object. And what we want instead is the Excel value. And we can delete this extracted image. And the Excel value that it's going to show is the image. So we can expand the size of our cell and show our word cloud. Now this visual is inside the cell, but if we want, we can right click on the cell, and there's an option here to display the plot over the cells. And this way, this is going to be more like a traditional Excel chart that you can resize and move around outside of the grid. So there you go. That's how you can easily make a word cloud visual using Python in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for future Excel videos like this one. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.